So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate macro suggestion on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here. Now select this profile icon. Now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. After getting on the home page, select settings icon, scroll down and select this option right here called recommendation. Now you can see the macro suggestion written here. Now just select on this button right here, and now you can see this option right here called yes deactivate. Now just select this, and now you have successfully deactivated your macro suggestion on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.